anyone visiting a social media like Facebook, Twitter, or different websites. But the devices may differ from one user to another, like smartphone and computers. Let's take a simple example. We will take an example of Bootstrap. It is a CSS library. I'm going to change the size of a browser view. Note that it takes a responsive design every time when I resize the browser. See here the navbar change. Let's make it more small. In this case, the responsive web design will automatically adjust for different screen sizes and viewports.